Hi, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to Motivationizz, your own channel for motivation, instant tips and tricks, solutions to problems, and good guidance. How are you doing today? Write in comments and don't forget to give me a smile. Right here, I saw you smiling. Thank you very much. Well, my dears, today we are going to learn about 10 tips about great cooking. Are you excited? Let's start then. Tip number 1. Start with love. Before you touch a spoon or pan, remember, food made with care always tastes better. Your mood matters, so cook with joy and your food will reflect it. Tip number 2. Keep it clean and simple. A clean kitchen is a happy kitchen. Before cooking, clear your space, wash your hands, and organize your ingredients. This saves time and brings peace to your process. Tip number 3. Taste as you go. Don't wait until the end. Taste your food while you cook. Adjust the flavors. Add a pinch of salt, a splash of lemon, or a sprinkle of spice. Let your taste buds guide you. Tip number 4. Don't rush the heat. Whether you're boiling, frying, or simmering, let the heat do its work. Low and slow wins the flavor race. Good things take time, especially great meals. Tip number 5. Use fresh when you can. Fresh ingredients make a world of difference. Fresh herbs, vegetables, or even garlic can instantly elevate your dish and make it unforgettable. Tip number 6. The right knife changes everything. You don't need fancy tools, but a sharp knife is a game changer. It makes cutting safer, faster, and easier. Respect your tools and they'll respect your time. Tip number 7. Prep before you cook. This is called mise en place in the chef world, but don't worry about the term. Just know, having everything ready before you start cooking makes you confident and unstoppable. Tip number 8. Balance is the secret. Salt, sweet, sour, and spice. Every great dish has a balance. Learn how flavors work together, and you'll turn basic ingredients into magic. Tip number 9. Don't fear mistakes. Every great cook burned a dish once. Mistakes are part of the journey. Learn from them, laugh at them, and keep cooking. Progress tastes better than perfection. Tip number 10. Serve it with pride. Presentation isn't about being fancy, it's about care. Wipe the edge of the plate, place it neatly, and smile. A dish served with pride feeds more than the stomach. It feeds the soul. My lovely viewers, which of these tips do you follow the most while cooking already? Write in the comments for me, please. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiration, motivation, and life-improving tips that empower you every single day. Bye for now. See you in the next video. Till then, take very, very good care of yourself. Bye!